Hi, my name's Robert and I'm so excited to bring you the latest range of Berghoff products called Gem. It's this fantastic Furno Green, ecologically friendly product that is just amazing to cook with. So it's fat-free, oil-free, you can just throw whatever you want in the pan and it just doesn't stick, and I'm going to show you. So in there I'm just doing a quick omelette just to show you that you can cook it without any fat or oil. In this one I'm just going to burn the pan by using some milk to simulate years ago when everybody had those old pans where you used to scrape that non-stick and those little black bits your husband thought was pepper was probably half the surface coming off. We'll show you nothing comes off, nothing sticks. And even so, this is still wet in here, but just to show you how non-stick this is, I can literally peel it off the base of the pan like so. So my omelettes are fantastic because they literally just slide out the pan like that. So the real test for any cookware is to do a fried egg on a dry pan. So I'm just going to throw this straight in there without any fat or oil just to test the pan. And I'm going to cook the top of it just by using a lid. So I'm just going to pop that on there. Now these pans are actually not only for the hob or the stovetop, but they're for the oven as well. And all you do for the oven is remove the handle. It could not be any simpler than just clicking a button and it's off. In the oven, you've got bakeware. Take it out the oven, it just snaps back on like so. I mean, clip on, clip off, absolutely fantastic. So now you can do things like pies and cakes and everything else in there. Now, just to show you how non-stick this pan is, hopefully you'll agree with me that that's fairly well burnt. So if you burn anything to this degree, instead of scratching and scraping with scrapers to get this out, I'm going to show you something that's absolutely phenomenal on this new Furno Green ecological pan. Look, I can literally peel this out the pan, absolutely amazing. In all my years, I've never seen anything do that. And I can go from there to doing a pancake on a dry pan without any fat or oil. And I literally just throw it in the pan. Now, most people, when they do a pancake, tell me they burn the first one, they cook the second one, and they use butter and fat and something else in the pan. Now, the one thing that sticks to any piece of cookware when you burn it, trust me, I know, I've done it lots of times, is starch. Rice, pasta, potatoes. So this rice has been on here for the last 2.5 hours. It should be nearly done. And just to prove a point to you, as you can see, it still stays on. If you burn anything to this degree, never panic. Give it a nudge. Turn it over, and not even rice will stick to the base of that pan. Now, that's pretty well burnt. That's not the clever bit. That's the clever bit. It doesn't scorch or mark the surface of the pan. Absolutely incredible. This new Furno Green surface we have is probably one of the best Berghoff has ever had. Okay, so when it comes to doing a pancake, they just slide around the pan and they fall out the same way without any fat or oil. Absolutely brilliant. I'm just going to put a bit of milk in here to show you the one last thing, the washing and cleaning, because more people damage non-stick cookware by washing up than they do by cooking in it. So I'm going to let that burn, but I'm going to let it burn black. Now, my fried egg may not be cooked properly yet, but I just want to show you. Even without any fat or oil, it just is fantastic. It slides around the pan. And actually, that's pretty well cooked anyway, with a nice runny yolk. So it doesn't leave a lot for the washing up. Now, as I said, they all go in the oven. They all go in the freezer, they go under the grill. If you want to put them in the oven with a lid on, the lids are oven proof as well. So now you can take a big casserole like that, brown your meat on the stovetop, put it straight into the oven. Soups, casseroles, stews, fantastic. We've got all different sizes, all different selections. But I just want to show you this. One thing now. Have a look inside the pan and we'll show you how burnt this is. All I'm going to use is a little drop of water. To prove it's water, I'll drink it because I know you think we tell lies. Now, look at this. This is what amazed me more than anything else. Just a little bit of water on a boiling hot pan and watch what happens. So with this kind of cookware, you will never need any kind of scouring pad. You will never need anything abrasive. Should never use anything non-stick in a dishwasher, but look at that. I mean, honestly, if there was ever anything such as a self-cleaning pan in the world, I think Berghoff have designed it because it just lifts and takes all the dirt off the bottom of the pan. All you do, give it a nudge in the pan. At home you'll use hot soapy water, and that, after wiping it out, is your washing and cleaning. It's absolutely amazing non-stick surface. By the way, don't forget to get yours in store. Look at all the huge savings you can make with this new Berghoff Gem cookware. Fantastic.